Now, every photographer should have at least one mini tabletop tripod.
Everyone who owns a camera.
Well, of course. But even if you don't own a camera, you probably own a smartphone. And you can actually put a smartphone on these too, and people do. A lot of people seem to have these Manfrotto ones. They're pretty ubiquitous. They seem to be the brand to have. I've got several of these things. I've got one here as I've opened to say breaking open the blister pack, just to show what it looks like when you open it all up like this. It's really, really well made, really solid. It's metal. It's got a ball head which locks in place, and you can press the little button to unlock it so you can get it level. But even if you don't have a camera, you can get a little attachment to attach your phone to it. You can put a light on it. You can put all kinds of things on it.
Thanks, John.
So if you have a smartphone, you can use an attachment like this, as long as it's got a tripod bush on it, and you can put that on there. You can put a light on it, which I do sometimes. I put a little Rotolight Neo on here, and it's really, really great. You can put a microphone on it too.
Yeah, I was actually thinking of it as, a content creator. A lot of people are vlogging, and you want that stable, solid tripod that you can just place your vlogging camera and have a whole conversation and get your vlogs done. So that is a very, very cute, handy gift.
It is, and when you fold it up, it feels quite nice. It's got a nice texture to the feel in it, and there's no sharp bits sticking out pointing. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom as well, so when you put it on the table, it doesn't slide around. So it's a very well designed product. And we're giving one away, aren't we?
Ooh,
Here
yes,
it is.
we are.
This one in fact.
So this could be yours. Remember, you do have to be subscribed to the channel, and if you could leave a comment telling us what kind of photography, videography, content you make, we would love to get to know you and what you're making. So yeah, to be in the running to get this cute tripod, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and it could be yours this Christmas.
I'm thinking that's about right.
I like how you just knew how to measure it without actually.
Just to guess. This is a tricky one to wrap actually, because it's knobbly.
Yeah.
But there we go.
I would turn it around.
Like that? Or no? Go on, I'll let you do it.
Just turn it around this way. So that you can make a base out of this end. Tape it. Yeah. And bring it all the way around. Just make it fold neat.
Okay.
How many tripods would you say you own, Nigel, out of curiosity?
Mini tabletop tripods, or just tripods generally.
Tripods generally.
I don't know, I've probably got about 4 or 5 full, normal tripods, full tight tripods. I've got about 3 or 4 of these, of those specific ones.
I asked because you can't ever just there's never enough tripods.
No.
And each one comes with, a different use. I'm just trying to fold this properly.
I have to say though that I don't use my tripods that as often as I use the tabletop tripods, because they're just useful for all kinds of things.
Yeah. Fold it on that side. Yeah.
I've actually got a previous version of this tripod that I've had for about 30 years. The one that they had in the 1980s.
30 years?
Yeah, and I still got it. And obviously, over the years, they've changed the design. This is obviously what they look like now,
Wow,
but I've still got the old one.
Talk about a trusted brand. 30 years. That's amazing. That's my entire lifetime.
Yeah.
But just goes to show
I actually did a group test at an amateur photographer in 1995 or something like that, around about that time, where I had a Nikon F4, which is quite a big, heavy camera, film obviously, and I'd got a whole bunch of mini tripods, and I wanted to see which one was the best. And this was the Manfrotto one, was the only one that could hold the camera of that weight, and also had a big lens on the front without sort of drooping. So that was, yeah.
It is a bit tricky to wrap up, but
We apologise in advance to whoever wins this for making a hash of the wrapping.
but it's been wrapped with love and care, so it's the thought that counts. And there we have it. Oh, a little razzle dazzle for the top. Yay, got it off one try. Perfect.
There you go, fantastic.
Yeah, so this could be yours. You could have a tripod that could last you 30 years.
If you don't have a mini tabletop tripod, this is your chance. If you already have one, you can never have too many, so you can win another one.
Yeah, we look forward to reading your comments. Do remember to subscribe and you could be a lucky winner.